Welcome to my channel Nutrition with Saundarya. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. This Saundarya Reddy dietitian here to speak on few words about second main meal of the day, that is lunch. I'm sure you had watched my previous videos of first main meal of the day, that is breakfast and its recipes. For the people who had not watched, please do check out. The video links are given in my description box. So before getting into today's episode, please do subscribe, like and share my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified my further video updates. In the second main meal of the day, where eating your lunch increases your blood sugar level to give you energy for the rest of the day. Okay, food be the medicine and medicine be the food. What actually this proverb delivers a lot of dictum to the humans. Food can either be medicine or it can be a pack of vital nutrients to reaching out to the body. Now we are the other shade part of the early people. They used to have ragi mudda or ragi balls for the lunch, and we have fried items, cheeseburgers and Szechuan fried rice and all. So second thing is they go for a mile on their legs, and we go in a cab or on vehicle even for the shorter distance. And you know, one more thing is their teeth used to be so strong that they eat even the sugarcane with their chew. They chew with their teeth, and now we consume the sugarcane in the form of juice, which is made out from machine. Okay, so they used to work for the longer day in this hot sun, and now if we work in front of laptop or electronic devices, our eyes get strained and we become tired. These all are the differences. To mention one reason is their healthy intake. Okay? So you could make out the differences why our great grandparents or grandparents are such healthy and we are in this kind of generation. So people who are on thought that on weight loss regimen programs, they try to skip out the lunch, having a thought of that they would cut down the calories. But that's not the right thing. That's a totally a false conception. Okay. According to the Weight Control Information Network, it was said that people who regularly often eat their lunch throughout, like lunch or any meal throughout the day, weigh less or burn more calories compared to people who skip out the any main meals of the day. So having a food and losing weight or being on a weight management really helps your body to keep you healthy and fit. Okay, so I would like to give you the three main highlights of the lunch. Number 1, the ideal time to have your lunch is between 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Maximum make it up to 2 p.m. And the second thing, the calorie intake from your lunch should be 400 to 550 kilocalories for female, and for male it can be around plus 100 to 150 kilocalories. The third thing, your lunch. Now lunch is the best time to pile on vegetables and green leafy vegetables. So your lunch should be a pack of complex carbohydrate, protein and fiber. That is, you could get fiber from green leafy vegetables. Okay, so this is how you have to remember the three highlights of the lunch. When you're planning for lunch, make these three to be involved in it. Okay, sure that you do not skip your lunch. What happens when you skip your lunch? It increases or rev up your appetite and also make you tend to eat on unhealthy foods that have poor nutrition values. As I have told you, the two hunger hormones in my previous video, the leptin and ghrelin, these two hormones make you tend to overeat in the next upcoming meal. So try to make time and have a part of lunch without missing it. For the healthy lunch recipes, I would upload my video further. So please do watch out and get an idea how to include healthy foods in your diet pattern. Okay, so keep twinkling and blinking your eyes for my lunch recipe video. For enrolling my diet programs, you would DM me in the following social media links given in my description box. So by here, I hope each one of you will make time to have your lunch and not to miss out. Okay, so if you have any queries, please feel free to comment. Keep growing healthier. Signing off, Nutrition with Soundarya. Bye bye. Take care.